Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to make a nice inlay set. This set was inspired by Vanessa Nails. I saw this set on Instagram and I was like, I need to try this one. So I'm starting with a gel polish color on the end of the tips. And over there I'm going to put a nice cateye gel polish. This one is from Wowbao. And this is the first time I'm using this one, so I was a little bit nervous for it. So maybe you see me a little struggling with it. Now I'm top coating the nail, and you will only see the right hand for me, because the left hand is exactly the same. And on this finger I'm using the color Celebrity, and you will see this color a lot in this set. This is from Wowbao. And I don't do inlays that much, so I'm still learning with this one. But I always like the effect of an inlay. This color is Glitterbels Berry grape. I'm trying to make a straight line. And with this effect it's like you have a cutout of the nail. Again, I'm using Celebrity on the ring finger. And I always make sure that the cuticles are really clean. And now I'm doing the color Celebrity on the full nail. And on the thumb I'm doing an inlay as well. going to file the nails, or the inlay nails. Just make them as straight as possible on the shape you like. And that's why when you apply it, it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're always going to file it. Dust it off. The color I'm using is Glitterbels Golden Sands, and this was a new color and I really love it. It's really pigmented, so I need to get some more little beads instead of bigger beads. This color is the berry grape one. It's also a beautiful color for the fall. I was a little playing with this one. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. I applied a little leaf on there and the color Pumpkin from Glitterbels as well. And I love this outcome of the pink. This is going to be a marble with berry grape and celebrity. Pick up some water beads and swirl them together. And I add a little bit of glitter, the golden sands. I love just the outcome of it. It's amazing. On the thumb I'm using berry grape again, and I'm doing this nail half berry grape and half marble. I really like the outcome of this one. I struggle a lot with thumbs on the designs. I don't know if you have that either. But when I'm busy, I'm like, oh, what I'm going to do on the thumbs? I don't know. A little bit of glitter, of course. I'm sorry, sometimes my head is in the camera again. So now I'm capping all the nails. You won't see that on the video. Just I thought 2 nails. And now I'm filing all the 10 fingers. I'm using the 5-in-1 drill bit from Wowbao. This is a really fine one. Make sure the cuticles are clean. And then I filed the nails in the shape she wanted. Always checking the front. Make sure they always are straight. And I also clean the nails under the acrylics. And I'm using the halo bit. This is a bit for under the nails. Spray them in with some alcohol and wipe them off with a wipe or a brush. And off camera I did some stones on the nails. And I did film it, but my head was in front of the camera all the time. So I chopped that one off. And now I'm doing the cuticles. I top coated them. And always make sure you oil the cuticles. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And I see you in the next one. Bye bye.